Facility management is no easy task. From keeping operations smooth to handling unexpected issues, the challenges never stop. Let's break down the top 4 facility management challenges. Unexpected breakdowns can cause major disruptions. The solution? Implementing a proactive preventive maintenance plan. Tools like AI-powered CMMS help predict failures. Balancing budgets while maintaining efficiency is tough. Optimizing energy consumption and automating routine tasks can significantly cut costs. Meeting compliance standards is non-negotiable. Stay ahead with automated reporting and real-time monitoring to ensure compliance without the hassle. Managing teams efficiently can be a headache. A centralized facility management system helps automate work orders and improve communication. Facility management doesn't have to be overwhelming. By leveraging the right technology and data insights, you can tackle these challenges head-on. Want to see how AI-driven solutions can transform your facility operations? Let's talk.